Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the default alert time for birthdays in the calendar on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on calendar. Then you want to swipe down again and tap on default alert time. So once you click on here, you want to go to birthdays. So in the birthdays, you have the default alert time. So if you set none, you are not going to get any notification, any alert of upcoming birthdays. So you can set up the option on day of event, 1 day before, 2 days before, or 1 week before the event. So if you have a birthday that is upcoming, in your calendar, and you set on the day of event, you are going to get the notification on the day of that event of the birthday. If you are going to set 1 day before at 9 o'clock a.m. As you can see, this works like that. I'm not going to talk about all those options, but once you click on and you are going to have a tick next to the option, it means that this one is set. So now I'm going to get a notification 2 days before at 9 a.m. about upcoming birthday of somebody if I have set it in my calendar on iPhone. So it is a useful feature, so you can set between these options. So 2 days before works the best for me, but as I said, it's up to you. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.